Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video we will learn how to create this nice looking invoice in iText 7. So first what you need to do, first create one outline in the MS Word. Okay, so I have created this and this is almost same looking with our target invoice. Okay, so first thing, just click on this layout and click this view grid lines, and here you can see one table, and this table has 1 2 3 4 5 columns and some rows. So same we need to create in the Android Studio. So open the Android Studio, and here first we will create one float object for one float array for the column width. So this is the column width array, and now create one table object. And put this column width here. Now create cell, and for that this table object dot add cell, new cell dot add paragraph. Okay, so this is the first cell. Let's create next. So we have added 5 cells, that means we have completed one row. So we will name it row 1. Okay, again let's open this MS Word and let's count how many rows we have. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. Okay, so we have 18 rows. So let's create all rows first. Just copy this, paste 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Okay, now just change the row number to okay. Now from here, in the first row we have one column span and this text. Okay, so just copy this text, paste, and add one column span, so row 1 column 2. Okay, and make this comment because this is merged with this. Okay, in the second row first we need to add this, and in the second column we need to add this. So copy paste, copy, paste. Okay, 3 4 5 is blank, then third row is blank, so in the fourth row we need to add this. Fourth row, column 1, row 4, column 1. In the fifth row, column 1, we need to add this invoice. Also, you can see here, this is raw span. Okay, so here we will put 2,1. okay, and rest of these blank. In the 1 2 3 4 5 6, in the sixth row, first is spanned with previous, and this is second column. So in the sixth, this is spanned with this, so make this comment, and here we will add description. Copy, paste, copy, paste, paste, okay. And now here in the next we need to add this. And here you can see this is also one row span, so 2,1, and make this comment. Okay, now item name 100 100, so copy this, item name, okay, save for the next. And here we need to add this. Row number 9 and column 1. And also remember to make this span, so 2,1, and make this comment. Now here again so we have completed till here. Now next row is blank, so we will leave this, and row number 12 we have 1 2 3 4. In fourth cell we have this subtotal. Copy this, paste, and in the fifth 400. Discount will be here, and 0. Now text rate, text rate 10%. Row number 15, we will put text here. Okay, so now here you can see this line, so we will just put 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and 4 and 5 are merged, so this is merged. So row span 1, column span 2, and we will put 1 equal to sign here and make this comment. Okay, now in the next 1, 2, 3, 4, it means this is also merge, so first merge 1, 2, and this invoice total, and make this comment. In the next we have this terms and condition, and this is merge with, so 1, 2. Okay, make this comment, and now let's try to run this, how it is looking. Okay, one thing is remaining, so just add this table in the document. And here PDF created, so let's open the PDF. So here you can see our PDF is looking like this, and what we need to do, we need to just format this. Okay, so let's start with first cell. In the first cell we need to change font size and some other decoration. So here dot set font size, and for example we will put 20. Dot set bold, also we will change its color, so set font color, new device RGB, okay, and we will also set its border no border, so dot set border dot no border. Okay, now this should be no border, so Just copy this and paste. Okay, so first let's check we are doing right or not. So run this. So here you can see we have added this color and this no border cells. Okay, so let's continue this. Just close. Here no border. No border. Now here we will just put one new line, and because its height should be little bit big, okay, and that's why we are adding new line. Again set no border. And here now in this build to, here we need to create one text object. Text build to. And we can just copy this, paste here, semicolon. Okay, this text build to dot set bold, and we can also change its color. So text build to dot set font color. Now create one paragraph. Paragraph build to equal to new paragraph. Paragraph build to dot add. So first we will add this text build to, and again paragraph build to dot add, and here we will add these remaining texts. Okay, and here instead of this new paragraph, we will put paragraph build to. Okay, now copy this set no border and paste here. Okay, so what we have created, just review once again. This text build to will be bold and its color will be different, and rest of these will be default. So here you can see this color will be different and it will be bold, and rest of this will be default black. Okay, so that's why we have added this text and this paragraph. Okay, now these are no border, and let's come to the invoice. So invoice dot set bold dot set font size for example 24, comma set font color and at the end no border. Okay, here no border. Now here in the description set font color and color will be white, color constant dot white dot set background color and background color new device RGB. Okay, so the same thing will be here also, so just okay. So now the next is invoice number. So again for the invoice number we need to create one text object. So text invoice number and here we will put this text invoice number semicolon text invoice number dot set bold dot set font color okay. So why we are adding this text? Because this is different and this is different, so we will apply some formatting here and rest of this here. So the text invoice numbers is green and it is bold. And now create one paragraph. Invoice number. First we will add text invoice number, then we will add this 00001 semicolon and we will add this paragraph here. And here we don't have any border, so we will just make this no border. Okay, and in the item name, set background color. Just copy this. Okay. Now again here, when we will see this date of issue, we need to create one text object for the formatting. So text, text, and just put this date of issue. Put semicolon and text date of issue dot set bold dot set font color new device RGB and 18,192,33. Okay, so this date of issue is bold and its color is green. Okay, so it is bold and its color is green. Now create one paragraph. Paragraph date of issue dot add text date of issue and the date is this, so just copy. Semicolon, and now add this paragraph here. Okay, so paragraph date of issue and its border will be no border, so set border no border. Now just copy this, paste, okay, so let's try to run this, and I think we have error somewhere because this is a red line. So okay, just run this and we will get the error. Okay, here we missed the semicolon. Again run. And the PDF created. And now you can see our invoice, and now we need to format from here. Okay, so just close this and continue. Now row number 11. So row number 11 is blank, so we will just set no border. Here no border. And in the subtotal we need to change the font color, and for that just copy this okay. So these four font colors and these are default. So now we need to set something here. So also before that these should be no border, so just copy this no border here, paste, paste, okay, and dot set alignment. Okay, so set text alignment, text align center. Okay, because this is in center. Okay, set border, no border. Okay, no border, no border, no border, and this invoice total. Again we have two different formatting in the same cell, and that's why we need to create one text object for this, and this will be default. So text invoice total, and copy, text invoice total dot set font color, and font color will be new device RGB, dot set font size. Okay, now create one paragraph invoice total Okay, now add this paragraph here instead of this new paragraph. And the last is this, so I think we need to set here only no border. Okay, set border, no border, and after this table ends here, and we need to add this authorized signatory. So what we'll do, just copy this text, and here after this table we will add one paragraph. So document dot add new paragraph, and this text put semicolon, and also make some new lines so it will increase the distance from this. Okay, and here just new line, new line, new line, new line. I think this is enough. Now let's run this. I think we have done everything successfully. Now PDF created. And here you can see this nice looking invoice. Okay, so one thing we can do, we can just increase its width and decrease its width. Okay, this is coming in 2 line. Okay, and for that what we need to do, just change the here, for example we will put 120 and here 104. Okay, and now run this. Now you can see we have this invoice, and this is looking okay. So this is coming in 2 lines, so we can also increase this, but that you can do. I think if I will do everything, this video will become so long, so you can just adjust these column width and set these columns. Okay, so just increase this and just decrease this. Okay, so I think this is enough for this video. Please subscribe the channel, like this video, and also join our Telegram chat group where we can discuss our problem and our progress. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.